Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Marhaban everyone. Welcome back to our Arabic grammar series. In the last video, we learned about Arabic parts of speech and long and short vowels in Arabic. Today, we are going to dive into some essential concepts that will help you build a strong foundation in Arabic. We will learn about indefinite and definite nouns, understand how noun endings change depending on their role in a sentence, and explore the structure of a nominal sentence. These are fundamental parts of Arabic grammar. So get ready to take some notes, but before we start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment. Your feedback is very important for us. Now let's start. In Arabic, noun can either be indefinite or definite. Much like in English, indefinite nouns, it means nakira, are like a or an in English, making the noun general, not specific. In Arabic, we mark an indefinite noun by adding tanween, a double vowel sign at the end of the word. Let's see the examples. A house is baytun. Definite nouns, it means marifa, are like saying the in English, making the noun specific. To make a noun definite in Arabic, we add al at the beginning, which means the, and remove the tanween. Let's see some examples. The house is al baytu. You cannot have tanween and al on the same noun. For example, al baytun is incorrect. Some proper names end with tanween but are still definite, like aliyun, rashidun, khalidun, etc. In Arabic, the ending of a noun changes based on its role in the sentence. These different forms are known as noun cases or at-tashkil. Nominative case, it means marfu'. This case use dhamma or un at the end. It is used when the noun is the subject of a sentence. Example, al-qalamu, the pen, rajulun, a man. This case mansoob. Accusative case uses fatha or an at the end. It is used when the noun is the object of a verb. Let's see some examples. Al-qalama, the pen, rajulan, a man. This case uses majroor. Genitive case, kasra or in at the end. It is used to show position or when a noun comes after a preposition. Let's see some examples. Al-qalami, the pen, rajulin, a man. Now let's see the nominal sentence. الجملة الاسمية. A nominal sentence is an Arabic sentence that starts with a noun. It typically includes a subject and a predicate. Structure. The sentence has a subject mubtada and a predicate khabar. The subject is what the sentence is about and the predicate provides information about the subject. Let's see how can we use that. The subject is always in the nominative case marfu'. The predicate is also in the nominative case if it is a single word. Usually the subject is definite ma'rifa and the predicate is indefinite nakira. Let's see some examples. Al-baytu jamilun, the house is beautiful. Here al-baytu is mubtada, it means subject, and jamilun is predicate khabar. At-tiflu sa'idun. Here at-tiflu is mubtada, subject, and sa'idun is khabar, predicate. I hope you understood the lesson, but remember to practice with different nouns and create your own sentences to get comfortable with these rules. See you in the next video. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.